Hello friends, this is Keshav here and welcome all of you in this session. So guys, in this video we are not going to discuss the topic which we are going to expect in the exams, but definitely this is the topic which you will find a very interesting and you are going to love it, because whenever you will going to join the bank, okay, you will very eager to know what will be your first salary or what you are going to get after joining the bank. Okay, so this video is completely based on that topic, and after watching this video you will get to know and you will get an idea what will be your first hand salary. Okay, so today in this session we are going to discuss the five different topics, okay, five different banks and their salary structure. So how their salary structure is different, so we'll discuss in the complete. Okay, let's start with the first bank, that is Indian Bank. Okay, so let's see here. So you can see here guys, this is the salary slip of Indian Bank. Okay, so in the salary slip of December month, this is the December month salary slip Indian Bank. The name will be mentioned, designation will be mentioned, branch wherever you are posted. Okay, then SR number, that is will be your employee ID. Then after that account number will be mentioned and PAN number. Okay, now there will be two column. Okay, one will be your earning side, another will be your the deduction. So left hand will be the earning and right hand will be your deduction. So what will be your the earnings? Okay, after adding all the earnings of the month you will get a gross earnings. Okay, and in the right side that will be your deductions. So after subtracting deduction from the gross earning, that will be your net salary, that will be your in hand salary guys. Okay, so what will be your gross earnings? So let's see the left hand side of earnings. Okay, so the first one is what? Basic pay. Okay, so basic pay is almost 37,490 rupees. Okay, but when you are going to join in the first month salary slip, you will find your basic will be 36,000. Okay, your basic pay will start with the 36,000. When you will complete your first year of service, then your basic will be almost 37,490 rupees. Okay, now according to that you will get the DNS allowance, location allowance, you get location allowance, learning allowance, DA, special allowance, then a special allowance, DA. So after adding all the earnings, what is the gross earning guys? 58,377 rupees. Okay, now what are the deductions? Okay, so first one is the provident fund. Okay, that each employer has to contribute some amount to the provident fund. Okay, now another one is the seed. Each employer has to contribute some amount to the seed. Professional tax also, that wherever you are posted in any state, okay, you have to pay some professional tax. Okay, now another fourth one is, you can see here the standard rent recovery. Now okay, so I will explain you what is that amount, standard rent recovery. Okay, suppose guys you joined a bank. Okay, now when you join the bank and your posting is in your hometown. Okay, so where you will stay? In your home. Okay, you are not going to stay on a rent. Okay, so you will stay in your home, then you will get the home rent allowance, that will be in your earning side. Okay, so you will not have to pay standard rent recovery and you will not get the rent amount from the bank. Why? Because you are staying in your own house. Okay, but when you are posted outside your hometown, okay, then what? Then you will stay on your rent, you have to pay rent to the owner. Okay, so the rent amount will be paid by your bank. Okay, that is called lease amount. That lease amount, when the bank is going to pay to you, then in that return you have to pay some amount, that is standard rent recovery. Okay, so each month 177 rupees 0.75 he is paying standard rent recovery, because why? He is staying on a rent. Okay, now sixth one is what? IB association. So that is 200 rupees contribution to the union. Okay, now last one is the interest free salary advance, means the person has taken salary advance from the bank in need of money. Okay, so total deduction is almost 10,395 rupees. Fine. So what is the net salary? That will be the gross earning minus deduction, that will be the net salary, that is 47,982 rupees 0.27. That will be your in hand salary. Okay, that amount will be transferred to your account. Okay, so you can see here the total salary structure of the Indian Bank. Okay, now come to the next one. Okay, so next bank is what? Punjab National Bank. Okay, so you can see the salary slip of Punjab National Bank. Okay, so employee ID will be mentioned. Okay, again two columns will be there, earning columns and right side deduction columns. Okay, so you can see here in the earning columns. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, so in the earning column you can see that is what is the basic here. Basic is almost 37,490 rupees. Okay, again this person has completed 1 year of service. Okay, but whenever he has joined the bank, his basic pay started with 36,000. Okay, now DNS allowance home rent allowance. You can see here he is getting home rent allowance, that is 2624 rupees. Okay, what is mean that he is staying in his own house. Okay, not he is not staying in a rental house. Okay, now another one is, fourth one is the learning allowance is getting, location allowance is getting. Now, and the sixth one is what, northeast allowance. Means what, if you are staying in a northeast state, okay, any of the northeast state, you will get a northeast allowance extra. Okay, that is 7498 rupees he is getting. Okay, now seventh one is the special allowance DA. Okay, so his gross has been increased to 68,500 just because of he is getting the northeast allowance of 7,498.99 rupees. Okay, now the what is deduction he is paying? Now the deduction is what, professional tax rupees 200. I told you that in wherever you are posted, okay, in every state you have to pay professional tax. Okay, now second one is the provident fund. Okay, so you have to contribute some amount to the provident fund, that is 4,887 rupees. Okay, okay, now the net salary is what, gross minus deduction, that is 63,444 that he has got in his own hand after all the deduction from the gross earning. Okay, so you can see the salary structure of the Punjab National Bank. Okay, now come to the another bank. Okay, so let's see the another bank, that is Union Bank. Okay, so you can see the salary slip of the Union Bank. Okay, so in the salary slip, your employee ID will be mentioned, job code, assistant manager, location Nagpur. Okay, increment date, PAN number, account number, PAN number. Okay, everything will be mentioned in your salary slip. Okay, now you can see here the basic age. What basic is almost 38,000. Okay, 38,980 rupees. Means what, he has completed 2 years of service. Okay, in the bank. Okay, when he has joined the bank, what will be his basic? First basic pay, that is 36,000. Then after that 1 year of service, 37,000. Then after that 38,980 rupees. Okay, now according to that his DA will be home rent allowance. Again, you can see here in the earning side, home rent allowance he is getting, that means what, he is staying in his own house. Okay, then a special allowance, DA on a special allowance, learning allowance, DA on learning allowance, everything he is getting. So what is total his earning is how much? Gross earning is how much? 64,457 rupees. Okay, now let's see the deduction. So what is the deduction? He is, so professional tax rupees 200. So I told you ABOC. So ABOC is how much? 0 rupees. Okay, so he is not contributing any amount to the union. Okay, free SC/ST welfare association 100 rupees he is paying. Okay, TDS 4,000 deduction. Festival advance, so he has taken festival advance from the bank, so he has to pay 6,320 rupees each month till he has completed all the festival advance. Okay, now AU BSU, that is 100 rupees contribution. Now contribution to the pension scheme, that is 5,000. COVID special advance here, another advance he has also taken from the bank, that is 2,500 rupees he is paying to the COVID special advance. Okay, now total deduction is how much? 18,350 rupees. Okay, so what will be his net salary? So 46,100 rupees. So his deduction is more. Okay, so that's why his net salary is what, less. Okay, so but the salary structure of all the three banks, whatever I've discussed here, that is Indian Bank, Punjab National Bank and Union Bank, all the salary structure is what, same. Okay, nothing will be different. So your basic will start with the 36,000. Then according to that you will get DA, learning allowances, location allowance. Then if you are staying in northeast allowance, you will get the northeast allowance also. Then after that, if you are staying in your own house, then you will get the standard rent recovery. Okay, everything will be same for all these three banks. Okay, now come to the fourth bank, that is what, your fourth bank will be which one? Bank of Baroda. Okay, let's see the bank, another top bank. Okay, in the public sector. Okay, so another you can see the basic will be, basic is how much? Basic, so basic is how much? 38,980 rupees. Okay, so basic means what, he has completed 2 years of service. Okay, you can see here the date of joining is what, 1st August 2019. So obviously he has completed 2 years of joining, so his basic has increased to 38,980 rupees from 36,000. Okay, so DA is how much? 11,000. New special allowance 8,335. CA project allowance, area allowance, you can see here, that is 700 rupees. Learning allowance 782 rupees. Now that is his gross earning. After adding all these things, you will get gross earning how much? 60,639 rupees. Okay, that will be gross earning. Now what is the deduction here? Professional tax he is paying 200. Income tax he has paid. Okay, rent recovery 180 means is what, he is staying on a rental house. Okay, LNBMS means what, some loan he has taken. Okay, so he is paying the EMI of loan. Young of two-wheeler loan, he has taken the two-wheeler loan, so he is paying the 1926 rupees to as a EMI of vehicle loan. NPS contribution 5,000 rupees. COVID-19 salary advance salary recovery. So he is paying. He has taken salary advance. So he is paying the salary recovery, okay, amount. That is how much? 5,890 rupees. So his total deduction is 26,397 rupees. So you can see here that after total all the deductions, how much he is getting, his net income, his net salary is how much? 34,240 rupees. Okay, again you can see here all the salary earning side, earnings. So just compare the earning side of all the public sector. You will find it very similar. All means everything will be similar. Okay, nothing difference will be there. Only if you are staying northeast allowance, extra amount you are going to get. Okay. But if you are, and another thing is, if you are staying in your own house, you will get the home rent allowance in the earning side. Okay, nothing much difference will be there in the earning side of the public sector bank. Okay, now come to the largest bank of the Indian bank. That is what? So that is State Bank of India. Let's see what, how much salary you will get in the when you will join the State Bank of India. Okay, so you can see here in the salary slip. You can see here the salary slip of SBI. Okay, employee number, name, designation, department, branch office, PAN number, mobile number, everything will be mentioned in your salary slip. Now again two column will be there, that is earning and the deduction. Okay, now basic will be how much? 44,940 rupees. Okay, so you can see here that is very much high. When you will join any public sector bank, okay, then your basic will start with the 36,000. Okay, but when you will join the State Bank of India, your basic will be start with the 44,000. Okay, so obviously your basic will be high, then obviously your gross earning will be high. Okay, so DA will also will be high. Okay, then you are getting city compensatory allowance. City compensatory allowance means what? If you are staying in the metro areas, okay, then metro, if you are staying in metro city, then obviously you will get a city compensatory allowance, that is 1400 rupees he is getting. Okay, area of earnings he is getting 2,976 rupees. Learning allowance, special allowance he is getting. Okay, so everything will be same. So okay, basic will be same, amount will not be the same, but the salary structure will be the same. Okay, but amount will be of this will definitely will be higher than the public sector bank. Okay, again deduction will be there. PF contribution, you have to make some contribution to the provident fund. Then if you have professional tax, you have to pay. IT income tax also you have to pay. House rent recovery, suppose he is paying the house rent recovery amount, so obviously he is staying on the rental house. Okay, furniture recovery means he has taken the furniture allowances from the bank, so he is paying the furniture recovery. Festival advance he is paying. Okay, union, his contribution to the union also 200 rupees he is paying. Okay, so PF area 197 contributed to the pension fund 6,000. So that is all his contribution to. Okay, so that is, means you can say that is all his deduction. Okay, so after subtracting the deduction from the gross earning, what is gross earning? Let's say the gross earning, that is 73,360 rupees and his deduction is 20,000. Okay, so after subtracting all the deduction from the gross earning, his income take home pay means what? His net in hand salary will be how much? 52,799 rupees. Okay, so you can see the salary means amount will be of SBI is completely different from the public sector bank. Okay, so obviously everyone wants to be join the SBI. Why? Because you are getting the more salary. Okay, so I hope you love this video. This video may will help you not only in the exam, means which bank you have to go out, but it will help you to decide which, during filling the form, which bank should be your priority. Okay, so if you love this video, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed, and please share this among your friends so that this video also help them. Okay, so keep watching, keep sharing, stay healthy, and stay safe guys. Okay.